Okay, so you can find my last video about blue screen or black screen on the update of your PC. But for example, that you are using the virtual machine and that you are facing the blue screen update. For example, one of your machines cannot boot anymore or is stuck in Windows logo, then you can go to setting and also need one ISO file. You can find the ISO file online. You can just search its ISO file operating system 11, 10 or anything, and then you download the ISO file. And then in Hyper-V, for example, this virtual machine is Hyper-V. Then you can go to Hyper-V setting. You will see this one. Right click into the machine, then you will see BIOS boot from CD. Yeah, and then you go to DVD write, which means CD. You change this one, they are already input.iso, the ISO file, but you can go to here, input your ISO file, download from here. After you input the ISO file, boot the machine by that ISO file. Boot to WinRE, Windows Recovery Environment. You will see the screen like this one. Click on troubleshoot command prompt, and then it's showing command prompt. It allows you to run command to fix your issue. And again, if your machine is stuck at Windows logo, like bootloop, if it's stuck here, then in the command prompt run bcd edit says recovery enable no. This is the command of Microsoft that does not allow your machine to be restarted in the bootloop anymore, like stop restart until you press the power button. So after you run this one, it will show the operations completed successfully, and just tap exit after this. Just exit and then restart the machine again. You will see the error. You will see the specific error. For example, this one, you will see the stop code here, and from the stop code session initialization failed, or any stop code, just stop code, for example this one, and tap Microsoft Launch. Then look for the link launch.microsoft. No, this one is for Q&A. Look for the right one. Yeah, this one, launch Microsoft. You will see the symptom here. You know what caused the machine to this screen, and you will see the solutions. Like you can restore your virtual machines, or you can get the memory dump file, which allow Microsoft support engineer can help you check on the dump file what's caused the issue. And for the Hyper-V, one more step, that if you want to have the dump file, you can go to Hyper-V setting. This one, like this machine is facing black screen, then you go to setting, and then you change. Normally your machine will be production checkpoint in checkpoint, and you change to standard checkpoint. And once your machine is facing black screen, it's showing error or it's just stuck at the window logo, wait for like 2-3 minutes for allowing the time so your Windows operating system can load driver service. Remember to check this one standard checkpoint, and at that time just right click into machines during the issue happening and then checkpoint. You will see the option checkpoint, which can convert to dump file. Like this one, just select to the machine checkpoint, and then you will have the file that you need, VMware file, to convert to dump file. But like this one, but it's just in case that you need to check for the dump. If go back to our error, if it's showing error after you run the BCD edit set recovery enable no, then you don't need the dump file anymore. Just search for the stop code, font, learn Microsoft, then just check for the resolutions, how you can fix your error. That's it for the virtual machines. So remember the virtual machine that you will download the ISO file and then in setting import it into your machine to boot it into WinRE. Allow you to run command run. So that's all for today. Thank you for listening, and if you still have any questions, comment below.